If you don't fix these habits now, then 2026 won't feel any different from your wasted 2025, because nothing changes until you do. This video is not entertainment, it's a mirror, a reminder of the habits successful people use, while everyone else keeps repeating the same useless cycle. Let's begin. Habit 1. Waking up 30 minutes earlier, not 2 hours, not at 4 a.m. Just 30 minutes earlier than your usual time. Why? Because according to a University of Westminster study, people who wake up even 30 minutes earlier show better mental clarity, lower stress, higher motivation, and more emotional control. This extra half hour becomes your silent advantage, a moment where the world is still asleep, and you build the discipline others only dream about. Successful people don't wake up early to show off. They wake up early because it separates them from the undisciplined. If you want 2026 to be different, master your morning first. Habit 2. The 1% rule. Every day, improve by just one tiny percent. Not a massive transformation, not a dramatic change, just 1% better. This rule is backed by behavioral research. If you grow by 1% daily, you become 37 times better in a year. That's how great people rise. Not through giant leaps, but small, invisible steps that compound over time. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing progress. Because small improvements today become massive results in 2026. Habit 3. The deep work hour. Every successful entrepreneur, creator, or CEO has one common habit. A daily deep work session. 1 hour. No distractions, no notifications, just you and your most important task. Harvard research shows deep work increases productivity by 400%. This single habit separates the focused from the lost. Because while most people scroll for hours, you'll be building skills that will pay you for life. If you want to outperform 99% of people, protect your focus like it's your life. Habit 4. The 20-minute learning ritual. This habit is used by billionaires, CEOs, and top performers. Just 20 minutes a day of learning. Read 10 pages. Listen to a podcast. Watch an educational video. Learn a skill. MIT studies show micro-learning boosts long-term memory by 80%. Success is not about doing everything. It's about learning something every single day. These 20 minutes become the difference between a year wasted and a year transformed. Feed your mind now, and it will feed your future. Habit 5. The no negativity environment. The people you talk to every day shape your thoughts, your mindset, and your future. Neuroscience research proves that negativity rewires your brain to expect failure before you even try. That's why high achievers protect their environment like a fortress. Remove toxic people, negative content, gossip, energy-draining conversations. Surround yourself with people who push you, not people who pull you down. Because your environment is not just influencing you, it is creating you. If you want a powerful 2026, start by removing everything that weakens you. Habit 6. Strategic solitude. Most people fear being alone. High-level people schedule it. A 2024 Yale Psychology Review found that 15 to 20 minutes of intentional solitude increases clarity, emotional control, and decision-making accuracy by up to 40%. This is why billionaires take long walks. This is why leaders unplug from noise. Because when you remove noise, answers show up. Do this. Sit alone for 10 minutes every day. Ask yourself 3 questions. What am I doing wrong? What do I need to fix? What matters most this week? This single habit can shift your entire life trajectory. If you avoid solitude, you avoid your own truth. Habit 7. Identity-based discipline. 2026 will not reward people who try. It will reward people who become. There's a reason James Clear, Stanford psychologists, and Navy SEALs say the same thing. Identity greater than motivation. Don't say, I want to be disciplined. Say, I am the kind of person who finishes what he starts. This rewires your brain. Literally. Neuroscience shows identity-based thinking activates long-term behavior circuits. Example, don't try to wake up early. Become the person who doesn't hit snooze. Identity shapes choices. Choices shape results. Results shape your year. When identity changes, destiny changes. Habit 8. Ruthless digital boundaries. Bro, I'm telling you, the biggest reason people fail today isn't lack of talent. It's distraction. The average teen scrolls 2 to 3 hours daily. That's 900 hours a year. That's a full-time job. Wasted. Research from the University of Chicago shows that simply having your phone in the same room drops your cognitive ability, even when you're not using it. So do this. Keep your phone outside your study/work zone. Use Do Not Disturb. Delete apps that drain you. Create screen limits for yourself. Your focus is your superpower. Protect it like your life depends on it. If you don't control your phone controls your future. Habit 9. The 2-page daily blueprint every successful person plans. But mentally planning doesn't work. Writing does. Harvard research proves handwritten planning increases execution chances by 42%. Your daily blueprint should include Page 1. My priorities. 3 important tasks, 1 habit to improve, 1 thing to stop doing. Page 2. My tracking hours. Studied, dodged, worked, exercise, screen time. Wins of the day. This turns your life from random to intentional. You can't win a year you don't plan. Habit 10. Skill building over entertainment. This is the habit that changes everything. Most people enter every year with the same skill set, and then they wonder why nothing changes. But the top 1%? They pick 1 skill and go deep. Skill equals opportunity. Skill equals income. Skill equals freedom. And 2026 is going to reward people who build skills in communication, digital literacy, creativity, AI tools, problem solving, fitness and self-control, leadership. Choose 1 skill, go hard for 365 days, and watch how your future transforms. Entertainment gives you escape. Skills give you options. If you make these 10 habits part of your life, your 2026 will not be another year. It will be the year you finally take control. The year you transform. The year you rise. But here's the real question. Which skill should you learn in 2026 to get ahead of 99% people? Comment skills below, and I'll make a full guide video showing the exact skill you should master.